Outside, the night wraps the village in its mantle of frost, while snow dances slowly beneath the sky, dark and lost. The wind knocks hard on windows of timber and stone, but here in the forge, time leaves us alone. Master Thorne lifts the bar of iron, glowing bright while the fire crackles and warms the night. A sharp strike, a flash of gold in the deep dark below. It's the ancient heartbeat that makes the world go. And the anvil strikes, the forge and the embers sing. Here every weary soul finds peace under its wing. A strike for the road, a strike for who departs. The memory of the village burning in our hearts. Come close to the fire, leave the cold outside. Here every old iron finds a place to abide. Hands marked by time know every story of old. Every horseshoe holds a memory untold. Some cross the borders, seeking a brand new way, while others came home to where they want to stay. The smoke rises gently toward the snowy roofs high, guarding the secrets as the days drift by. The crackle of sparks is a gentle guiding choir, protecting the valley from this winter's dire. And the anvil strikes, the forge and the embers sing. Here every weary soul finds peace under its wing. A strike for the road, a strike for who departs. The memory of the village burning in our hearts. Come close to the fire, leave the cold outside. Here every old iron finds a place to abide. And when the metal toe settles and the night grows more deep, only the warm embers chase the shadows to sleep. A sip of hot tea from a clay cup so sweet, while the story of the village whispers its defeat of the cold. The work is completed, the embers slowly fade, but the greatest fire lives in the memories we made. The village rests deep under a blanket of snow, and the story continues as the new day will grow.